Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today with two envelopes of Happy Meals from Miss Beth Schuler. And the first one I'm going to show y'all, this is the way it came to me. Split open here, but I opened it up at the top. Okay, so we have this. Comes on almost every envelope I've seen so far, and the same thing, yeah, the butterfly and everything's the same on the front. Here we have Get Your Done. We have this here, we have a key, some stumps, another kitty. We have, I don't know what this is, Matt Van Cura, I don't know. We have this beautiful picture here, this lighthouse. I love lighthouses. Me, it's lighthouses, dream catchers, and peacocks. Oh, we have another one of these. It looks like magazine cutout. Then we have some dyed paper. We have a napkin, piece of a napkin. We have another little photocopy card. Some more braille. Another game card. A little stamp. A little bird cutout. And we have that. Okay, so that's for this envelope here. This is my winnings from her bingo game. She plays that every Saturday. She's live Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Oops, I forgot this. Okay, and the second Happy Mail envelope is reindeer, and it says Merry Christmas. And in here we have a cute little snowman. Isn't he cute? It's all made out of felt, and this is burlap. I like his little headphones, his earmuffs, not headphones. Okay, then we have this napkin here. It says Noel on it, and it's a single panel, but you get the little birds here on 3 corners, which is pretty neat. I can work with that. A tag that says Joy with the little red truck. Well, she knows me. And then we have a greeting card with a cluster on it. I think I saw her make this one live. And it says, may the season be filled with treasures from above, peace and joy, and God's holy love. Well, Miss Beth, I want to thank you for all of this. It's greatly appreciated, and you know that I will find ideas for all of this. And here's the front of her envelope. Okay, so I will place all of this back. I will have pictures of all of this for the video at the end. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, I go live, or I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be safe, be crafty, and remember, you're always where everything is made with love in every stitch. And I will see you all in the next video. And on our flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Sorry about that. And bye bye for now.